Have you ever wondered how millionaires continue to grow their wealth, even during economic downturns? What if the secret to their success isn't just how much money they make, but how they manage and deploy it? In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful wealth-building frameworks that millionaires use to maximize their financial potential. These are not just strategies for making money. They are systems designed to create long-term, sustainable wealth that withstands market volatility. If you're ready to break free from the traditional middle-class mindset and unlock the true potential of your wealth, keep watching to learn the secrets the wealthy use every day. 1. The Anti-Fragile Portfolio Framework. The first framework used by millionaires is the Anti-Fragile Portfolio Framework. While the middle class might be focused on simply surviving market volatility, millionaires use volatility as an opportunity to profit. The concept of anti-fragility comes from Nassim Taleb's philosophy, which states that some systems actually become stronger when exposed to shocks, stress, and volatility. For millionaires, this means structuring their investments in a way that not only withstands market turmoil, but actually thrives during it. Millionaires look for investments where the potential for gains far outweighs the downside risk. For instance, a startup might have a small chance of failure, but a huge potential for success. Structuring investments this way ensures that when they do win, the reward is exponentially higher than the loss. Millionaires also allocate a small percentage of their portfolios to strategies that thrive during extreme market crises or unforeseen catastrophes. These strategies are specifically designed to profit when the market crashes or in moments of chaos. They seek opportunities that others might shy away from, turning financial uncertainty into a chance for growth. Rather than panicking when the market dips, millionaires use these downturns as an opportunity to redeploy capital. When markets are in a slump, they don't retreat to safer investments. Instead, they use this as a trigger to buy assets that are undervalued and will eventually appreciate. This approach not only helps them weather the storm, but positions them for long-term wealth accumulation. The Anti-Fragile Portfolio Framework helps millionaires profit from what others fear, turning volatility into a wealth-building tool. 2. Skill stack optimization. The second framework employed by the wealthy is skill stack optimization. Unlike the middle class, who often focus on becoming specialists in one particular field, millionaires leverage a combination of skills to create a unique competitive advantage. Instead of focusing on becoming the best at just one thing, millionaires blend multiple skills together to create a category of one. For example, a combination of data engineering, sales, and specialized legal knowledge might allow someone to solve niche problems that no one else can, positioning them as a go-to person in a high-value area. This rare combination of skills forms what is known as a personal moat, something that's nearly impossible for others to replicate. The combination of these specialized skills creates a moat around an individual's personal brand and business, making it much harder for competitors to replicate their value. This gives them the ability to charge premium prices for their services or ideas and attract high-leverage compensation that pays off in the long run. Millionaires who build these skill stacks can create their own niche markets and charge top dollar for their ability to solve problems that few others have the expertise to address. By building a skill stack, millionaires differentiate themselves from the competition and become indispensable in high-value niches. This strategy allows them to solve complex problems in ways that others can't, creating a competitive edge that is difficult for anyone to copy. As these professionals grow their unique skill set, they continue to command higher value and gain more influence in their industry, leading to both financial success and career advancement. 3. The Velocity of Money Flywheel. The Velocity of Money Flywheel is the third framework used by millionaires. It focuses on how quickly capital can be deployed, generate returns, and be redeployed into new opportunities. Rather than being obsessed with annual returns, the wealthy prioritize the speed at which their capital is working for them. Millionaires seek to complete multiple cycles of capital deployment, return, and redeployment within the same period, rather than letting their capital sit idle. Rather than leaving equity locked in properties or businesses for years, millionaires extract that value quickly. This might involve strategic borrowing or selling assets to fund the next investment cycle. Each time they cycle their money, they earn more, compounding their wealth faster than traditional investors. Millionaires are always ensuring their capital is actively working, They don't let money sit in idle investments or unproductive savings accounts. Systems are built around moving money from one investment to another efficiently, which allows them to complete 3 to 5 investment cycles in a time it would take a traditional investor to complete just one. The velocity of money flywheel ensures that wealth building is an ongoing process, constantly compounding and reinvesting, creating a powerful cycle of growth and financial independence. 4. The 5 types of wealth portfolio. A newer framework adopted by modern millionaires is viewing their wealth as a portfolio of 5 distinct types of wealth, rather than just focusing on financial wealth alone. This is known as the 5 types of wealth portfolio. Rather than just tracking money in the bank, millionaires categorize their wealth into 5 areas: financial wealth, time wealth, social wealth, mental wealth, and physical wealth. Financial wealth is a traditional form of wealth that most people think of: money in the bank, investments, and assets. Time wealth refers to the ability to control your time, whether through passive income or owning businesses that allow you to work less. Social wealth refers to the relationships, networks, and communities that you can leverage for personal and professional gain. Mental wealth is about investing in personal development, education, and mental well-being. Physical wealth encompasses health and fitness, which are important to ensure that you have the energy and longevity to enjoy your wealth. Millionaires track all 5 types of wealth, ensuring that their investments in each area are balanced and intentional. In this framework, money is viewed not as a goal, but as a tool to buy back the other 4 types of wealth. For example, financial wealth is used to buy time through hiring or outsourcing tasks, or to access better physical health through top-tier healthcare or fitness programs. By balancing these 5 pillars, they avoid the burnout trap that often leads to catastrophic financial mistakes in the long run. 5. Inversion thinking, mistake minimization. The final framework used by millionaires is inversion thinking. This principle revolves around the idea that avoiding mistakes is just as important as making brilliant decisions. Rather than constantly chasing huge opportunities, millionaires focus on minimizing the downside risk. They ask a simple question: how could I guarantee financial failure? By systematically eliminating these risky paths, millionaires can create strategies that protect them from catastrophic mistakes. Millionaires often create a list of things they will never engage in, regardless of how attractive they may seem. This could include high-risk sectors, unsustainable debt practices, or unethical business strategies. By avoiding these pitfalls, they eliminate the most common causes of failure. They also focus on surviving to win, recognizing that your wealth is often determined by avoiding 2 to 3 catastrophic mistakes rather than a single lucky break. Inversion thinking is a powerful framework because it allows millionaires to remove risk from their decision-making process. By carefully assessing risk and using inversion thinking, millionaires minimize their exposure to large losses while consistently building their wealth. There you have it. 5 wealth-building frameworks that millionaires use to create lasting success and financial freedom. By focusing on systems like the anti-fragile portfolio, skill stack optimization, and inversion thinking, the wealthy turn opportunities into wealth-generating machines. Start incorporating these frameworks into your own life and watch your financial future transform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Your path to prosperity starts today.